Assalamu alaikum students. As we are doing our lesson of decimal 2, chapter number 9, lecture number 6. So today we will continue our topic of word problems of decimal. So our problem is Mrs. Ali bought 3 bottles of detergent. Mrs. Ali bought 3 bottles of detergent. Each bottle contained 3.5 liter of detergent. The detergent was bought equally into 6 containers. What was the volume of detergent bought into each container? So let's understand it. Mrs. Ali bought 3 bottles of detergent. How many bottles of detergent are there? 3 bottles. Each bottle contained 3.5 liter of detergent. What is the amount of detergent in each bottle? Tell me, what is the amount of detergent in each bottle? Very good, it's 3.5 liter. The detergent was poured equally into 6 containers. The detergent was poured into how many containers? 6 containers. What was the volume of detergent poured into each container? So tell me what we have to find out in this problem. Read your last line and tell me what we have to find out in this word problem. So we have to find out the volume of detergent in each container. So now if you know the answers of these questions, you can attempt your word problem very easily. And your questions are: how many bottles of detergent are there? How much each bottle contained detergent? In how many containers detergent was poured? What we have to find out. So let's move to the solution of problem. Firstly, we will write down the statements. So our first statement will be, tell me what we will write down. Firstly, we will write down bottles of detergent is equal to 3, and secondly we will write down, tell me, hurry up, look at your word problem and tell me what will be the second statement. Very good. The second statement will be detergent in each bottle is equal to 3.5 liter. Third statement will be detergent poured equally into 6 containers. And what we have to find out? Volume of detergent in each bottle. Okay, so think about it. What we need to find out, that volume of detergent in each bottle is how much volume of detergent in each bottle. Tell me what we will do. Think about it. We have 3 bottles of detergent. Each bottle contains 3.5 liter, and we will divide total detergent into 6 containers. Firstly, don't you think that we have to find out the total detergent? Then we will divide it into 6 containers now. So what we will do to find out the total detergent? So for finding out total detergent in 3 bottles, we will do multiplication. 3.5 multiplied by 3. Let's do the multiplication. 3.5 multiplied by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 5 will become here at 1 will be go to the carry at 1's place. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. It means total amount of detergent is 10.5 liter. So let's find out that how much detergent is in each bottle. Volume of detergent in each bottle is equal to 10.5 divided by 6, because we have total detergent 10.5 and we have to divide it into 6 bottles. So let's do the division. It means we have to multiply 6 by 1. So 6 ones are 6. 10 minus 6 will give us 4. As I told you, before solving the digit of decimal, we have to put this decimal here. Okay, now we can solve 5. As 4 is smaller than 6, that's why we have to write down 5 down to solve the division further. So it becomes 45. Read out the table of 6 and you will get to know that 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are, tell me, 6 8s are 48, which is greater than 45. So we will multiply 6 by 7. So 6 7s are 42. 45 minus 42 will give us 3. Again, 3 is smaller than 6 and we know that we cannot leave the remainder. So we have to divide it further. That's why we will put 0 here. As I told you, we can put 0 as much as we need after putting decimal here. So 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30 will give us 0. So our division is complete. It means each bottle contained 1.75 liter. Volume of detergent in each bottle is 1.75 liter. So let's check its reasonable answer. As we have the value 10.5 is approximately equal to 10. So 10 divided by 6 we will get 1.6666 and so on. Okay. So our exact answer is 1.75, which is we get after solving what problem. So 1.75 is near to 1.6. So the answer is reasonable. Solve this word problem 2 to 3 times to learn it in a good way and to practice of these word problems. Allah Hafiz.